Hello everyone, it's Jamie Parcon. Welcome back to the channel. This is a pack and prep vlog for Cancun, Mexico. We are headed over there for 5 days and 4 nights for a wedding. We are staying at an all-inclusive resort, which is going to be super fun. It'll be my first time doing that. And for the last month, this suitcase has been in the hallway, kind of just collecting things, and it has way too many things. So the goal is to travel with only one carry-on and one personal item for myself. And I feel like that's already a challenge, but we're up for it. I'm gonna do my best to make this look aesthetic, but like it's already chaotic. But let's pack. We leave in 3 days. So the usual suspects for packing would be clothes, shoes, toiletries, and tech, but let's skip that for now, and we will start this video with the fun all-inclusive resort stuff that we're packing, starting with tumblers. Jeff has a San Diego Chargers tumbler, and I have this Yeti with a Philippine sun flag and stars sticker. However, on the group wedding text the other day, Lisa mentioned that we don't need to bring our own tumbler, which means that they're probably going to give us one, which is super cute. Can't wait to see it. But what I am going to bring is some dish soap to wash our tumblers in the room. And knowing Lisa and Brayden, there's probably a 90% chance that they're gonna also give us some koozies, but I'm gonna bring some just in case. They're small enough so it doesn't take up extra space in the bag. Another thing I'm bringing is my own floaty. I know that the resort has their own, but this is just in case. Just in case there's not enough, just in case that I want my own. It's got a net, it's mesh, and easy to blow up. I'm also gonna bring a microfiber towel and a wet bag. The day before the wedding, a bunch of the girls are getting together to go on a catamaran for Lisa's bachelorette party. So this is for that, just in case. I've also got these little clips to hang like bathing suits. And our room has a balcony with a rail. So this can go around the rail and then like hang your clothes to dry. And then for pool, for ocean, and just to protect your phone, got some lanyards. Put your phone in here. One for me, one for Jeff. And then some towel clips for those beach chairs. I purposely chose the powder blue and yellow ones for the Chargers because Brayden's a Charger fan. And then my swim goggles for me in the pool. Also got some waterproof playing cards. So I haven't been to an all-inclusive resort, but I have been on a cruise, and when I go on cruises, I like to bring some thank you cards to write some extra special notes for staff. I also printed out some papers that say for housekeeping so that we can tip them daily. And when I did my research on this resort, it said that tipping is kind of customary, and it seems like US dollars are accepted, so I went to the bank and got a bunch of singles. Ooh, money, money, money. Did you know that tips meant to stand for to ensure promptness? So like you tip and your stuff comes quickly. The more you know. And now I'm narrowing down the clothing pieces that I'm going to bring, but for sure I'm going to bring this, which is my dress for the wedding. It's got a little like cutout right here. Oh, you can see like it's got a little hello, which I think is just so cute for a beach wedding. And oh my gosh, the dress has pockets. I can't wait to show you this. And then I've got a black maxi dress for other bachelorette activities. Also has the cutout. Just perfect, it's the vibe. For the bachelorette party on the catamaran, the theme is James Bond. So the bride's going to wear white, of course, and then everyone else will wear black. So I've got my one piece here, but I also have some 2-piece options that, you know, we'll see how I feel that day. An all black swimsuit attire, whatever, seems easy enough, especially I live in New York where everything is black. And I could have sworn I owned a black cover-up, but it turns out I don't. So I went on the hunt for one. I think it's so funny because it's 29 degrees outside, feels like 19, and I'm here at TJ Maxx because I need to look for a swim cover-up and maybe some sandals. I said TJ Maxx, but it's also Marshall's, and we're gonna go to Marshall's first. So I don't really like the cover-ups that they have. I also want, I don't need, but I want a black dress, so I'm gonna take a look. Going up to TJ Maxx before I commit to buying anything. Okay, so I've got my shopping haul, but while I did see a couple of things at TJ Maxx and Marshall's that might have worked, I wasn't really like happy with it. So I ended up going next door to Old Navy. So I found another black dress that is like linen-y material and it's just, you know, better quality and something I could actually reuse. And it has pockets, love a good pocket. And best of all, it was on clearance, baby, for $7.97. So that's a win there. And then I bought this, couldn't find a cover up, but I found this like button down shirt, right? It is intended for like the beach, if you can see like the design. And I bought this from the thrift store. It was, yes. So this was only $8 at the thrift store, but the best part is I got this from the guys section and it actually fits Jeff. So now he has another shirt. So while these pieces were intended for something specific, I like that they will have life after this event. Dress for wedding, we've got that. We've got outfits for bachelorette stuff. And then there's also a welcome party. And I've got this dress, which is fun and printed and tropical. And this one is like a shorter option. Either way, whichever one I don't wear, I will be using to wear to dinner one night at the resort. So clothing-wise, there are a few more bathing suits. There are casual clothing pieces, and you'll see those in the vlog. Now let's move on to shoes. Shoes, I like how I said that, like a question. We're trying to keep it simple here, so flip-flops, Tevas, dressy sandals, and tennis shoes. These I will be wearing on the plane. Also, they have a gym at the resort, and my goal is to work out at least twice. Twice is the goal, but 3 would be the bonus because Lord knows I'm going to be eating and drinking so much at this all-inclusive because why wouldn't you? It's included. And it's vacation. But I've worked really hard to get back into shape, and we gotta maintain it. So healthy life balance. What else are we packing? We're gonna pack this bucket hat, black, which would be great for the catamaran, but it's reversible and just sunshine and color and fun. I'm also bringing a Pop Flex hat. Then we got some Tums, some Liquid IV, Claritin, Advil, Tylenol for the just in case. I'm also bringing some Dramamine in case I get nauseous on the boat, which hopefully doesn't happen. Coppertone SPF 30, Blue Lizard Reef Safe SPF 50, and some aloe vera for after sun. But since I am packing carry-on only, I've already transferred them into travel-sized bottles. But my Laneige sunscreen for the face is only 1.6 ounces, so this whole thing is coming with me on the plane. Vitamin B1, off bug spray, and this bug bite thing in case of bugs. I'm using this American Tourister bag. It is older. It's only got 2 wheels that don't spin. Remember these? This was free for me because I got it off of the Buy Nothing group, and I had to get a new bag because Jeff swapped out his carry-on at Christmas for this bag he found at his parents' house, which was of lower quality and broke on the conveyor belt. So Delta did reimburse us, but like totally forgot to like place an order for a new one. So just gonna use this one. It's fine. It'll do the job. Obviously, I would love to invest in a Rimowa or a Monos or an Away or something. I don't know. Comment down below what carry-on travel bag is your favorite, and then we can use the credits for that. Whew. Okay. So the last thing is this personal bag, and this is where all of the tech is gonna go. So MacBook, DJI Osmo Pocket 3, Insta360 X3 with the invisible dive case and floating grip and the stick, plus other accessories, plus tripods, plus batteries and chargers and cell phone stuff, and yeah, so that is tech. So I'm gonna clean up the mess I made, pack most of this stuff, and take a little break. All right, it's the next day and we are now T-minus 2 days from leaving for Cancun. And see that? My nails? Yes. I'm gonna go get these done. It's time for a manicure and pedicure. I'm going to treat myself. I might get gel, maybe some designs. Let's see what the salon has. I'm trying out a new salon today, and I'm also gonna get a pedicure, which is very much needed from this cold winter New York weather that we've been having. So I'm excited for that, and then I can't wait for the sun. Oh my gosh, I just got a pedicure. It's 28 degrees, it's windy, feels like 10 degrees, and I have flip-flops. Okay, I survived, and my feet are warming up now. If my feet suffered from frostbite, at least my toes are cute. I got French tip almond shape, and I honestly haven't had French tip professionally done since like college. And it's nice. All right, let's go. 2 more sleeps and then we'll be in Cancun. 24 hours until we leave for Cancun, so I'm checking into our flight and then we'll head to the airport tomorrow. Thank you so much for packing and prepping with me, and I'll see you in Cancun.